Sup fuckers, world's okayest trader, and today's trade review are brought to you by the letters WTF. And I mean, like, what the fuck happened to my brain today? It was not a good brain day. So let's get into the trades or the review. So early on in the day we had this, strong push up, sort of spike and channel pattern, strong bull looking for a long. See it sort of develop a top here, push down, thinking little range, then we're ranging around. So I'm thinking, okay, this one's got a break of this channel. We've sort of depleted that short-term trend. We're getting that push up. We get the new extreme in place. So now I'm thinking there's going to be a retest back into this range. I enter it. I went for a larger target than I normally do. Larger position size because I decided to size up today. And it was a loss. Overall, though, while it was aggressive, it's almost like a top pick. We are on a strong trend up. Where I faltered on this one, and that's why I'm counting it as this should actually be a bad trade. Well, it was a good setup, but it was bad money management. So I'm going to give myself a mental loss on that because I shouldn't have gone for the target that I did, given the strong uptrend. We traded up into this little range, expecting it to continue higher. So taking that opportunity, I shouldn't have taken that so aggressive on the profit target. Then we get into our little range breakout. This might have been a good breakout pullback, but again, I was sort of nervous about this one, which is also why I didn't take this second entry long. I could have taken sort of a double bar entry, but it was an inside bar. EMA held, trend line held. That probably would have been a good one. I would have, that would have been, again, a better spot to take the larger target size to at least this high. Didn't expect that move up. Short-term trend puts in this range. This could be almost anywhere in here, but played it tight, thought we had a break, a new extreme. Then we do push down 1, 2, 3 legs down. So I'm thinking long at this point. We're strongly pushing up. There's a measured move up in the 70s somewhere, thinking that we could scalp this out. So I end up taking the second entry long again, increased target size because uptrend, and it puts in this higher low and thinking it's going to go, and too bad, so sad. See you later. Have a good day. So those two losses put me quite red, quite red today. So, I'm still dealing with all the mental issues that I've got going on. I was tilted. There is no doubt. Like, I was so fucking mad. Yeah. I didn't break anything in the house, so. But not the point. So I see this push off, kind of upset that I didn't get this, but what would this been? Maybe I guess it could have been a failed breakout because we did have strong stuff there, right? Very thing pushed up, pushed down, enter, and maybe at least target the bottom. Not seeing that. But when I saw that flush, I had started to extend this out because I already thought this was a range. I just didn't move it back here when that happened. So when I saw it wick that, I put a long above that bar. Yeah, it was inside, but I was tilted. I was hoping for a win. It was a small risk, so it was still, wasn't bad, but still a dumb fucking trade. This was a bad trade. Yes, it won. Again, it was a larger contract size, even larger than these, doing all the stuff that you shouldn't be doing, which is increasing your size when you're losing. That's like, I broke my number one rule today. Do not increase your position size when you are tilted. And I wouldn't have broken my rule if I had kept the same position size as here. So that was a big rule today's rule break today. And then because of this push down, here's the top of this channel. I took this very aggressive short here, and again for a larger position size, larger target in the middle of the range, and that was the end of my day. So, like I said, today's video is brought to you by WTF, world's okayest trader out for today, because I just can't anymore.